Well, let's move the ball a little bit further down the field by looking at extended ratios and using these in geometry. Now, what is an extended ratio? Well, I'm glad you asked. So an extended ratio is when we compare three or more quantities or more than two. When we just, on the previous example where we looked at ratios, we were doing a two ratio comparison, but now we're going to go have more than two. I'm going to start off here with one that's got three. So what we're given here is we're told that in a triangle, the ratio of the measures of the sides is 2, 2, 3. And that the perimeter of this triangle is 392 inches. Find the length of the longest side of the triangle. Now, we know that in finding the perimeter of a triangle, we're adding the length of the three sides. And so we have a ratio here of 2, 2, 3, 2 to 2 to 3. And we can solve this by assigning a variable to each of these extended ratios. So let's do the setup here. I can go 2x plus 2x plus 3x equals 392. Then I want to solve for x, and once I solve for x, then I can substitute it back in to this ratio and then determine the longest side of the triangle. So let's see, 2 plus 2 plus 3, that's 4, that's 7, 7x equals 392. I might better get my calculator out here and make sure. I think I know what the answer is, but you never know. 392 divided by 7 equals 56. So x equals 56. Now, since it's asking me for the longest side, I could just say, well, obviously that's got to be the longest side, 3. But just for the sake of fun, we're going to find the length of all three sides. So let's see, then I would go that then 2 times x, or 56. That's the length of one side. The other side is also 2 times 56. And then finally, the third side is 3 times 56. And let's see, 2 times 56 is 112. And 2 times 56 is 112. And 3 times 56, let's see, 3 times 6, 8. Carry a 1. 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 1. 168. And shazam, the length of the longest side is 168. Wait a minute, I'm about to forget something important. What is my unit of measurement? Oh, it's inches. Longest side is 168 inches. Shazam! Extended ratios.